Hey everybody, today we're doing a review and demo of this portable ice maker, and this item arrived to us at the perfect time because our ice maker in our refrigerator actually stopped working. And so we started using this on our countertop, and unboxing this, you can get it started in a very quick way. You just plug it in and add the water, and then you press the button to start the process. So this worked so great for us. It produces ice in cycles, in 9-minute cycles altogether, and it can produce 26 pounds of fresh ice in just 24 hours. Now each cycle that this goes through, it's going to produce 8 ice cubes, and it stores it in a tray conveniently placed in the maker itself. It also has this ice cube shovel that you use to take out the ice cubes once it is full. Now the ice cubes have a unique shape. They're shaped like a bullet design, and what we're currently doing is shoveling it out, putting it in a cup, and then putting it into the freezer so we can store the ice and use it in the future. This has 2 different sizes of ice cubes, small and large. So the small ice cubes are great for using on food to keep that fresh, and then the larger ones we use for our drinks. It is a intelligent and simple operation. You can actually see the ice maker working through a transparent window, a lid that lifts up, and you can open that during the process as well if you wanted to clear out some of that ice as it continues to make it. The countertop ice maker is equipped with a self-cleaning function, and that is super easy to use. So when it's time to clean it, you just press the start-stop button for 3 seconds, and the machine enters a cleaning function. The 4 lights flash alternately, and it makes for a quick and easy clean. Now, as far as where this goes on the countertop, you just want to make sure there's a little bit of space on both sides when this is running. You don't want any objects near it. This is a plug-in device, and so we're keeping this right next to our fridge and just giving it its space to work. So the process goes, after you put the water into the ice maker, you just sit back and wait for the ice cubes to be made. And we ran this thing through all of the cycles until it used all of the water inside of it, and the ice cubes were made perfectly, and it worked great. And now we have ice cubes for our drinks and for our food. This also has a really convenient carrying handle on the top, so you can carry this from room to room, or maybe you want to use this in the office or an RV, for example, and it's very easy to transport. So there are tons of benefits. I'm super happy with this product, and it came at the perfect time because of our refrigerator issue. So hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.